plane comfort, I just covered how to pack a top flight parachute into a small 2.6-inch airframe. And now I'm going to discuss the Recon, or what a Cert 3 is also the same type of parachute. A lot of my rockets have this particular parachute in them because it's so easy to do, and it doesn't require a lot of work like we did in the previous video. So here we have a Recon 40. This has 4 shroud lines, so I'm not doing a lot of work there. What I'm going to do is show you the same flaking method that I used on the top flight on a Recon. First layer down, making sure that the shroud lines are aligned with each other. Second layer down, same thing right here. Third layer down, making sure the shroud lines are all lined up there. And the fourth layer, just like that. So your flaking process is much easier with a Recon or Cert 3 parachute. Now we're going to fold it in half, like so. We're going to fold it once like this, and then twice like that. And there we have the whole process of flaking out a Recon parachute. We're going to do the same thing with this that we did with the other. I have a Nomex pad that's a certain size. I want my burrito to be that big. So I'm going to fold this so that it will match that size. Roll it up and put it where I want it, right there. Put a roll on that and S-fold the shroud lines, just like so. And that's really the whole process of a Recon parachute compared to a top flight. And you can see that it's a lot easier. Now when I roll this up, I want to make sure I've got this clear, and then I'll add the S-folds here. Almost all of my 3-inch rockets, even all the way up to 6-inch rockets, are packed in the same manner. I can go over and over them. I use Nomex pads, I use Kevlar shock cord, and I fold them up exactly the same way. I gotta say, I've taught this to a lot of people with a great deal of success. So if you use this method, you'll have a better chance of getting your rocket back in good working condition, which is one of my major goals when I fly rockets. Rolled up into a burrito. Burrito's about the right size for this guy. Same thing, I'd add a layer of dog barf in here and stuff this in right on top of my charges, which are in my ab bay right there. And oh boy, did I mess up? Yeah, I messed up, Sharon. I forgot to add in the rest of the shock cord on the other side, like that. Okay, shows I'm human. Once again, you want to make sure that when you fold this up, the side that goes to your ejection charge, whether it be a motor deploy or an ab bay, you want to make sure that there's nothing exposed. And that's why I usually add another layer of dog barf in here like that. Once again, goes in here like that. And add your shear pins, you're all done. I hope that helps you, and good luck on your flights.